Let's talk about AI training. When it comes to getting their teams ready for AI, most companies are making a huge mistake. They think there's one right way to do it, a single playbook. But what if the real key isn't the training itself, but the mission that's driving the whole thing? We're about to explore a tale of two very different AI philosophies. And believe me, choosing the right one is absolutely critical. So just a quick heads up on what we're doing here. This explainer is the introduction to a full 15-part series. We're diving deep into a comprehensive research report by Virtualization Options LLC. It's all about the massive differences in AI training between organizations focused on shareholder value and those focused on their customers. Now, in this series, we're going to cover all the key findings, but just so you know, it's only a fraction of what's in the full report. The report kicks things off by tackling what it calls the single biggest mistake in AI adoption, this assumption that there's a one-size-fits-all approach to training. The research argues pretty powerfully that this belief isn't just wrong, it's actually dangerous.
And that leads us to the question that pretty much every business leader is asking right now. Is there some universal template for AI training? A playbook that's going to work for everybody, no matter their industry or their goals?
Well, the report's answer is immediate and really blunt. Believing in a universal template is a costly assumption. And we're not just talking about dollars and cents here. The cost is measured in wasted time, missed opportunities, and this is the big one, the erosion of trust. So if a universal template is a myth, what actually defines the right path for a company? The report's core idea is that it all comes down to your mission. Your fundamental strategy is the single most important thing that shapes how you should be training your workforce for this new AI-driven world. And this brings us to the two big camps. On one side, you have the shareholder value-focused organizations. For them, AI is a tool to maximize return on investment, drive down costs, and get a competitive edge. It's really all about the numbers. But on the other side, you've got the customer-focused organizations. And for them, AI is a tool to build trust, create amazing experiences, and foster that long-term loyalty. The goal isn't just a transaction, it's a relationship. And look, these aren't just slightly different priorities. They create two completely different universes for training. Understanding this split is so important because the cost of misalignment, training your team for one mission while your business is actually on another, is just enormous. The strategic stakes really couldn't be higher. The report is crystal clear on this. The stakes are exceptionally high. In a world where AI is evolving at lightning speed and regulators are watching closer than ever, a mismatch between your strategy and your training isn't just some small inefficiency, it's a direct threat to the business. And these consequences? They're very real. A mismatched strategy means you're just throwing money away on the wrong tools and programs. It means your employees are wasting valuable time on skills that don't even serve the core mission. You end up missing huge opportunities to use AI effectively. And maybe most damaging of all, you start to lose that precious trust from customers and stakeholders, which threatens your company's entire future. Okay, so after laying out this pretty serious problem and the high stakes, the report doesn't just leave us hanging. It actually provides a solution, a framework for the future. It's a clear roadmap to help any organization design AI training that's truly aligned with its core purpose. And by following the report's structure, this series is going to give you that exact roadmap. We're going to start by defining those two core models, then we'll contrast their goals, explore their unique governance challenges, and finally, we'll analyze the direct impact all of this has on careers and skills. It's really a complete framework for getting this right. We'll end this introduction with a final, powerful thought straight from the report. Organizations that fail to cultivate an AI-ready workforce risk significant competitive disadvantages. The keyword there is cultivate. This isn't about just buying a tool, it's about intentionally growing the right skills for the right mission. And that's the challenge we'll be exploring throughout this entire series. So I hope you'll join us for the next part.